Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're making an easy lemon garlic pasta or a pasta al limone. This dish is extremely popular in the Amalfi Coast, someplace I dream of visiting sometime soon, I hope. It's easy, it's simple for weeknights. Every time I eat it, it transports me there, and I hope it does the same to you. See you there. Add in less water than you normally would to boil your pasta. You want the water to be extra starchy. Make sure to salt your water generously. Add in 16 ounces of spaghetti and cook until al dente. I'm using an imported Italian spaghetti, but you can use a bucatini as well. Crush 6 to 8 cloves of garlic. I like to go on the heavier side to keep the emotional vampires away. You can use a garlic presser or the traditional route and chop by hand. Let's prepare our basil. I like to layer and roll the leaves to make them easier to chop. Finely chop your basil and set aside. Now for my favorite part, the cheese. We're using a Pecorino Romano. It's sharp and nutty, which accents the lemon perfectly. Make sure to grate the cheese yourself. Do not buy pre-grated cheese. They add chemicals which can create clumps in your sauce. Now for the limone. Zest your 2 lemons. You'll want to continuously rotate as you're zesting to avoid zesting the white part, as this can create a bitterness in your sauce. This should equal about 1/3 cup of lemon juice. Add in 3 tablespoons of butter. Add in your garlic. Once the garlic is translucent, add in a teaspoon of red pepper and salt. Add in the lemon zest and saute until fragrant. Add in your limone juice. Add in your basil and reserve some for garnish. Before draining your pasta, reserve 1 cup of the starchy water. Add in your reserved pasta water and give it a good stir. Add in your spaghetti, your pecorino. Give it a good stir. Top off with 20 turns of fresh cracked pepper. Top off with some Pecorino Romano, some fresh basil, and there you have it, a recipe to transport your taste buds. Enjoy.